Now, student, other types of small scale industries are village industries and cottage industries. Village industries, these industries are generally established in rural areas or the villages in India, and they are the industries which are producing goods without use of power. That means these are the small scale enterprises in rural areas or the village that is does not require any power for producing the goods. And also the capital investment is time to time is prescribed by the central governments. So there are different village industries in our country. Next is cottage industries. Cottage industries, these are the industries which are not determined by the capital investment, and these are the industries which are generally established in rural areas like handlooms, cottage industries, handicraft industries, etc., which is generally is not specified by the capital investments, and these are small scale enterprise, especially in the village and the rural areas, जिसमें भी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं, हैंडीक्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्रीज होती है, हैंडलूम इंडस्ट्रीज होती है, these all are coming in cottage industries. Now the industries, cottage industries means the industries are organized by individual with private resources. इसमें ये इंडस्ट्रीज जनरली जो होती है वो प्राइवेटली मीन्स कोई गवर्नमेंट की हेल्प नहीं मिलती है इनको, मीन्स दीज आर द स्टार्टेड बाय प्राइवेट पर्सन, प्राइवेट विद ओन रिसोर्सेज, normally uses family labor and locally available talent. Cottage industries was started generally by the family members of the particular family, and also from the local available talent, means कोई specialized person को रखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. Use of simple equipment with small capital investment. In these types of industries, we required simple equipment, means no technology and updated technology is required, and with very small capital investment, it can be started. Simple product, and they were used producing without using different indigenous technology. यहाँ पे जो कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज में जो प्रोडक्ट बनाए जाते हैं वो बहुत ही सिंपल प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं. इट इज डजंट वेरी sophisticated one, and also the technology which we are using is indigenous, means we are using the simple technology, and different types of technology we are using, means इतनी कोई updated technology की जरूरत नहीं होती कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज में. तो जनरली these are the other type of small scale industries like village industries and cottage industries. Now what are the features of small business? Small business आपको स्टूडेंट समझ आ ही गया होगा कि स्मॉल business means this is the business which are generally started in the rural areas or the backward areas or the with low capital investments, less number of people, and also with a low output. So these are the special features of small business. Now what are the different features of small business? Our first is personal character. This small business is generally started by with their own resources and by the privately owned persons. So it the person is the himself is the owner of the particular business, and he can start his own business without taking any advice or help from other persons. Labor intensive. Small scale industries are labor intensive होती है, इसमें कि we require number of labors. We are not using machineries or any technology, so we are using everything we are doing with the help of human being, human resources. तो ये लेबर इंटेंसिव होती है क्योंकि इसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को काम मिलता है, क्योंकि इसमें मशीन की जगह हम लेबर से, ह्यूमन से, रिसोर्सेज से काम करवाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज लो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज की एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि इसमें बहुत ज्यादा पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है स्टार्ट करने के लिए. हमारे पास अगर थोड़ा भी पैसा है तो हम स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस विद वेरी लो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट में स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. लोकल एरिया ऑफ ऑपरेशन. जनरली स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज आर स्टार्टेड इन द लोकल एरिया. इसमें कोई स्पेशलाइज मार्केट या कोई एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस की जरूरत नहीं होती. एनी टाइप ऑफ स्पेशलाइज्ड area we can start the local area, we can start our work, small enterprises. And quick decision. Small enterprises में generally अगर हमें कोई decision लेना है तो we are taking very quick decision, because we don't have to discuss with others or we have to take advice with others. So quick decisions can be taken in a small business. And short gestation period. स्मॉल बिजनेस का जो गेस्टेशन पीरियड होता है वो बहुत ही कम होता है, शॉर्ट होता है. दैट मीन्स द ड्यूरेशन इज वेरी लेस, एंड इट विल बी स्टार्टेड बाय द लेस अमाउंट ऑफ लो कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, कम पैसे में स्टार्ट की जाती है, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा दिनों तक सर्वाइव नहीं करती. इनका गेस्टेशन पीरियड भी बहुत ही कम होता है. These are the features of small business, that this small business can be started by low capital investment with indigenous technology, and it does not require any kind of updated machineries or technology. It is labor intensive because में lot of people are used for working, that is we are doing the production with the help of number of people instead of machinery. So and these are the features of small business.